Is called the Browning Lever Rifle, BLR, as opposed to the Browning Automatic Rifle, BAR, that we were just firing. Same 4-round capacity, but chambered in .308 Winchester.
I like the way that snaps in there.
Four bullseyes.
Oh no. Oh! Shouldn't have popped it. There we go. It's slack.
Yeah. Good old Mr. B.
Okay. This time, another bullseye. Jump to it.
Yeah.
Hold that thing down.
Yeah. It fits fine, just, should fit fine. Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. Cycle it.
Bracket.
Yeah. Very good.
Just get my hands out of there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's quite short, isn't it?
It is short.
Quite compact.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
What always surprises me is that even when it's cold out, these things work.
Yeah.
I guess that's what they're made to do. That must be it. All right, make bullseye. That ejects quite nicely. Goes fast.
Okay. Whoa.
That's got a bounce.
Quite similar to the feel of the Browning automatic rifle in terms of the trigger touch.
Okay.
But a lighter round. 308's quite a bit lighter than 30-06. Oh, that's nice.
Wow.
Oh, it's a cheek kisser. Oh, yeah. Oh, light trigger. Careful with that. Sweet. Beauty.
Get in there.
Hey.
Ooh, that feels good. Stay standing.
Beautiful gun.
Nice.